What's up, CarRev3 fam? Stop scrolling because today we are looking at something incredibly special. What you see right here is one of the most affordable and pure hot hatches you can get for the 2026 model year, the brand new VW Golf R. We are talking about a straight from the factory build, finished in this super clean, pure white paint. No crazy expensive options, just pure, unadulterated performance. If you want to know what the ultimate everyday track weapon looks like, you need to see this. Let me keep it a buck with you guys. When I say this is the affordable spec, I mean it has zero crazy add-ons. Besides some all-weather mats and a roadside kit, this is exactly how the Golf R rolls out of the factory. And honestly, it's perfect, just like this. Before we get to the looks, let's talk about what makes this the hottest hatch in the game right now. Under the hood, you have a turbocharged, intercooled 2.0-liter inline-4 engine pushing out a massive 328 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. That power goes through a lightning-fast 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and VW's legendary all-wheel drive system. The result? 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. It'll hit 100 miles per hour in 10.4 seconds, clear the quarter mile in 12.7, and top out at 149 miles per hour. This thing is a literal rocket ship. Real quick, if you guys are vibing with this build, do your boy a solid. Smash that like button and hit subscribe so we can keep bringing you these absolute bangers. Alright, let's walk around to the front, because the 2026 styling is absolutely brilliant. You have this signature blue strike-through that runs all the way from the headlamps straight through the center grille, right into the illuminated VW logo. It gives it such a futuristic look at night. And of course, we have to talk about the lighting. Check out those sharp, aggressive LED matrix headlights that seamlessly flow into the LED light bar and turn indicators. Below that, the massive gloss black intakes and functional air feeds let you know this isn't just a regular Golf. This is the R. Moving to the side profile, the star of the show has to be those stunning 19-inch alloy wheels. They are showing off those massive cross-drilled rotors clamped by bright blue R-branded calipers. It sits low, wide, and perfectly proportioned with those black mirror caps and side skirts. But let's be real, you're mostly going to be seeing the back of this car when it gaps you off the line. Look at that massive functional rear wing up top. Down below, you've got an aggressive gloss black rear diffuser housing those signature quad exhaust tips that sound absolutely mental. And tying the whole backside together, you've got those ultra-sleek 3D LED taillights spanning across the rear. The whole package just looks incredibly sharp and aggressive. But the magic doesn't stop on the outside. Pop open the door and step inside because VW completely killed this cabin. You are immediately hugged by these perforated leather seats featuring a striking blue and black theme with carbon-style inserts and blue stitching. They are heated, ventilated, and look absolutely incredible. Grab that flat-bottom steering wheel, it feels perfect in the hands and features those massive paddle shifters. Right on the wheel, you have that dedicated R button that unlocks all your drive modes, including race and the special Nürburgring mode that opens up those exhaust valves. The tech is next level too, with a massive 12-inch infotainment screen that is super responsive and a fully customizable digital gauge cluster where you can track your boost, G-force, and torque. And don't forget the premium Harman Kardon sound system and carbon trim scattered throughout the interior. So CarRev3 fam, what do you think of this pure white 2026 Golf R spec? Are you taking this or a Civic Type R? Let me know in the comments below.